seriously, I really think we are invisible. Like, we got clay outline, a clay suit, right? But people are not there. It's like you're a freaking invisible person or something. Think about that. You're invisible. Nobody can even see you. You're just there, manifesting in a body, bro. Like, that's crazy. That is so crazy, man. What do you say? God is invisible God or something? Well, we're invisible too. Does that mean we're God? No. But it's really like that, bro. Like, we're just like, they're just careless as hell. And then they're invisible. We're just invisible as fuck, bro. Look, none of these people are woke. They're sleeping. They're slept. They need to take my ass to New York City or something. Have me spiritually snapping. Like, that yellow car was random as fuck, bro. Go ahead, hit it. Watch this dude speed up, watch. With the loud muffler, the silencer. See, I told you what he was gonna do before he even did it. I already read what he was gonna do before he even did it. And I'll wait for him to leave too. Didn't I tell you? I told you he was about to speed up with that muffler. 5 seconds later, he does exactly what I said he did.